Welcome back, everyone. Today, I want to take you inside my creative process and show you how I bridge the gap between traditional production and cutting-edge technology. We're starting in Logic Pro, but the real magic happens when we push the boundaries of inspiration. I'll be taking my initial beat ideas over to Ace Studio to leverage the power of AI, generating custom-tailored samples from melancholic classical guitars and atmospheric vocal chops to cinematic orchestral strings. Then, we're heading back into Logic to piece it all together, fine-tuning the arrangement and mixing everything for a high-end, professional finish. Whether you're facing a creative block or just looking to enhance your sound, this workflow is a game-changer. Let's dive in and see how human intuition and AI synergy can transform a simple idea into a polished production. I am currently exporting the stems from Logic Pro and importing them into Ace Studio to explore some AI-generated vocal possibilities. My creative process for this track involves leveraging AI to generate unique samples that complement my original production. By merging my own musical ideas with the innovative capabilities of AI, I can enhance the overall texture of the beat, ensuring a more polished and professional final result that stands out. I'm currently utilizing Ace Studio to generate AI samples that will complement my beat idea and enhance its emotional depth. Specifically, I'm generating classical guitar sequences to instill a somber, melancholic character into the track. To create an atmospheric, outer space feel, I'm adding processed vocal chops that provide a sense of vastness. Furthermore, I'm incorporating a classical piano layer to drive the movement of the piece, alongside an orchestral strings section to build cinematic tension. Finally, I'm generating specific guitar phrasing to act as turnarounds at the end of each 4-bar loop, ensuring a polished and professional transition throughout the arrangement. I'm exporting the stems from Ace Studio to Logic Pro. I've officially moved back to Logic Pro to handle the final arrangement and mixing phase of this project. Now, the real work begins as I start replacing my initial MIDI sketches with the high-fidelity samples I generated in Ace Studio. I'm going through each individual stem, meticulously editing and processing them to ensure they sit perfectly within the mix. This part of the process is crucial, because a professional arrangement is what separates a simple loop from a complete cinematic experience.
FullBasseAudio.
Don't forget to visit my website, FullBasseAudio.com. I'll leave the link in the first comment or in the video description.
FullBasseAudio. full bass beats.
I'll be fine-tuning the transitions, adjusting the dynamics of the orchestral strings, and making sure the classical guitar phrases highlight the emotional peaks of the beat. Once I've polished the structure and finalized the sonic balance, I'll be excited to share the finished result with you. I truly believe that leveraging AI tools is a game changer for modern producers. Whenever you encounter a creative block or feel your inspiration fading, these tools provide that much-needed spark to keep the momentum going. It's the perfect synergy between human creativity and artificial intelligence, allowing us to push the boundaries of what's possible in music production. And that is a wrap on this production workflow. As you can see, integrating AI tools like Ace Studio back into Logic Pro completely transforms the way we arrangement and mix, allowing us to break through any creative block and achieve that high-end, professional sound. I really hope this breakdown gave you some fresh inspiration for your own projects. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment with your thoughts on AI and music production, and share this with another producer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll leave you to listen to the final beat. Peace.